Hi Utilities community! Today I'm really excited because I can share with you the agenda for our next International SAP Conference for Utility. The event will take place in Basel, Switzerland from the 1st to the 3rd of April under the theme Transition, Diversified and Innovate with the Intelligent Enterprise. Now our agenda is live. All content is available on our website. As usual, we start with a pre-conference workshop. It will take place on the 1st of April, and there you have the opportunity to deep dive in your session of interest. It's beneficial for newbies, but as well for all the experts to learn about the latest news. On the 2nd and 3rd of April, the real conference will take place. So it's a good mixture of external, internal keynotes from executives to discuss the trends of the industries, opportunities and challenges. We start the day with the jet stream jumper Mark Hauser, who will make a motivational speech. And then, of course, our SAP executive to guide you through our roadmaps and strategy. Additionally, there will be a lot of different tracks on the major topics in the utilities area. So we have the Cloud for Utilities, a journey to the cloud track, our most important topic right now, but as well the move to S4, asset management, digital strategy, to transform to an intelligent enterprise and innovations. So everything will be covered with SAP presentations, but as well with customer stories. This is a good point, customer stories. As Confucius already said, the easiest way to learn is to imitate. And therefore we are really proud that there are so many customers who are keen to speak and to share their experience with you. We have HEL, Mercury, Vattenfall, Energy, UTE, Fluvius, and many, many more. So have a look in the agenda and get more insights. We are ready and looking forward to see you in Basel to exchange and define your journey with SAP.